Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a physical SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And if you open the box, you will find here at the cover of the box another black box. Just remove it like that here. And if you open it and pull this one out, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Other ways, by the way, you can use also, of course, always the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone, so please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you are able to insert next to the main SIM card, optional if you want, a second SIM card at the other side. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here in the middle. So let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it with the contacts above now, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray, and as you can see the contacts there are on top. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card here at the SIM tray. For that you need to turn it, but the first SIM card will always jump out, don't wonder. So if you want to insert two SIM cards, always start with the second one. Okay, let's insert it as well here with the contacts on top now. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray, and the contacts there are on top. Okay, ready with it? Let's insert the first SIM card again. And then let's put back the SIM tray anyhow with one or two SIM cards back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, so at the display side now. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.